Volleyball is a sport that requires a high level of skills and precision, and serve is one of the most critical elements of the game. In order to be successful, teams need to have a variety of serve that can be used in different situations. The three types of serve that I'm focusing on in my research are the float serve, the jump float serve, and the jump serve. A successful serve can put the receiving team on the defensive, while an inefficient serve can give the advantage to the opposition. So with this in mind, I set out to investigate the comparison between the type of serve and serve efficiency in elite men's volleyball teams. I choose to focus on the Suka Super Series 2022 as it is a highly competitive tournament featuring some of the best teams in Malaysia. The background of my research is that in the past there have been studies that have looked in the serve efficiency of teams, but none of them specifically focus on the comparison between different types of serve. This is important because it allows us to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each type of serve and how teams can use them to their advantage. The significance of this study is that it will provide valuable information for coaches, players, and analysts who are looking to improve the performance of their team. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each type of serve, teams can make informed decisions about which serve to use in different situations, which will ultimately lead to better performance on the court. To conduct my research, I will be using notational analysis to evaluate the serve performance of each team. I recorded and analyzed a total of 5,254 serves with 121 sets during the league from 8 different teams. The notational analysis will be conducted with the assistance of NetSpot software for Mac, which by using my MacBook Air M1 chip to ensure sufficient processing power. Before the analysis begins, the software will be configured according to selected performance indicators. In this software, all variables intended for the study were encoded. I will be collecting the data from this volleyball league that was held in Dewan Besar Tanjung MBS Shah Alam, Selangor from October 14 to November 6, 2022, and I will be analyzing the data from the tournament to compare the serve efficiency of teams that use different types of serve. I will also be looking at the success rate of each type of serve, as well as the number of errors made when using the type of serve. The result of my research will provide valuable insights into the strengths and weaknesses of each type of serve and how teams can use them to their advantage. It will also provide coaches and players with information about which serve to use in different situations, which will ultimately lead to better performance on the court. In conclusion, my research is important because it allows us to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each type of serve and how teams can use them to their advantage. By using notational analysis, I will be able to provide valuable insights into the strengths and weaknesses of each type of serve. I hope that my research will help to improve the performance of teams and ultimately lead to more exciting and competitive volleyball matches. That is all from me. Thank you.